Welcome to Eclypses, where we're changing the game in data security. Protecting your sensitive information is vital in today's connected world. With the rise of data breaches and cyber threats, we've got the solution you need. A proactive data security solution that will protect your data now and into the future. Data has become a valuable target for bad actors, with attacks such as man-in-the-middle, replay and delay injection, packet inspection, pattern recognition, and credential harvesting becoming more and more common. Organizations must implement security that is properly equipped to protect their data. With secure MTE technology, all of these application security threats are eliminated. This is accomplished through the single-use replacement values. In this first example, an organization is trying to send private data over to a partner organization. Meanwhile, a hacker lingers in the middle, waiting to intercept the information. Normally, this kind of attack would be successful, as the data is vulnerable as it travels between the two endpoints. With secure MTE, the information is replaced before it is ever sent out. This means that the information the hacker receives is encoded in a way that they will not be able to decode or interpret. Only once it reaches its intended endpoint is the data revealed. This is also the same for login credentials. By utilizing secure MTE in your login screen, users' passwords go through the same replacement that the private data did. Recurring credentials, like a bearer token or API token, which is continually passed, also look different and are made obsolete once they are used through secure MTE technology. This eliminates the potential for a credential to be taken or replayed by someone in the middle, protecting your users' login credentials and the integrity of your systems. Implementing proper data security is paramount for a business to be able to maintain their brand integrity, compliance with security standards, manage their reputation, maintain competitive advantage, protect their intellectual property, prevent financial disaster, and maintain employee and customer trust. One data breach could mean total loss of control of the entirety of your organization. Don't wait until you become a victim in a cyber attack. Implement secure MTE by Eclypses to future-proof your data.